Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I know we are all gasping and shook at the fact that I'm going to film a little makeup tutorial. Just because I haven't really been doing makeup tutorials lately, more vlogs and fashion and things of that nature. I still love makeup, it's just maybe I don't love makeup as much as I used to. I feel like it's just, I don't know, I'm kind of like obviously getting older and you change as you get older, and I just like what I like and it's just kind of more simple now. I'm not really into like doing crazy looks. Like I'll still like spruce things up here and there, like maybe if I'm going to an event or something, but on a day-to-day either I don't wear makeup anymore because I'm incredibly lazy, or I just go with this look. And this is just great for summer if you're looking for something just more natural and just like an alternative to, like, you know, just I guess something more natural. So I got lash extensions, I want to say like a month ago, and I've been getting them filled every like 2 weeks, and I'm just totally obsessed. This has become an addiction, just like my nails, even though my nails look so bad because this hand broke. Nothing's broken on this hand. I don't think I can like honestly go without lashes. It's just like a part of who I am. So yeah, I think that's why I really just don't wear as much makeup, just because I feel so glamorous with my lashes. So I just got them filled yesterday, so they look really on point. So this is a great time to film a little makeup tutorial for you guys. They usually are a little bit more like fluffy, but they're getting fluffier. But like I said, I took a shower, so obviously like I clean them, and I get the most volume lashes, and my lash tech is amazing. Love her. She does such a good job, and yeah, she makes it less anxiety provoking for me, because lash extensions is something that made me almost have like a panic attack the first time. It was crazy. I just don't like people up my eye, but she made me feel really calm, and every time I'm there she's like, just relax, and she's really cool. So yeah, I love getting lashes. Obviously I don't like having anxiety during the process of like getting them filled and stuff, but you know, you win some and you lose some, so I'm taking one for the team and just gonna keep getting lash extensions, even though, you know, but it gets better. Like I'm not as anxious like every single time. So this is gonna be an extremely chatty video and probably way too long. I apologize in advance. Apologize in advance for all the burping I'll be doing. But yeah, so let's just jump right into it. I always start by doing my eyebrows, and I've been using the Anastasia Brow Wiz as of lately, and this is in dark brown, and I just like brow pencils. They look more natural. You know, when I want a bad bitch brow, I'll go for like a pomade, but when I want something more natural, I'm going for a pencil all the way. So just gonna go ahead and make sure got some unibrow stuff growing in there. I hate that I have that in the middle of my eyebrows. I grow hair. Honestly, guys, like I cannot stand that. I think it's just gross, but it's where it wants to grow. And it's like a maintenance to keep up on my eyebrows. I feel like they grow so fast. Yes, this is how I fill in my eyebrows. I try to use like light strokes. Okay, brows are done. So I don't touch my eyes at all, and that's why this is so effortless. I might just put like mascara on my lower lashes, but the lid itself doesn't get touched. I don't go crazy with that. So since I moisturize my face and it feels super moisturized, I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. I really love this product a lot. If I didn't moisturize, I probably would have went with my Too Faced Hangover RX, because I would need more like replenishment, and I need something right now that's going to control oil, because I do have oily, actually have combination skin, but sometimes with the heat and stuff it can be super oily, so I feel like if I use too much moisturization it's going to be oily. So that's why I'm going to go with the e.l.f. Oil Control Mist, shake it up and spray it evenly across the face, and I'm just going to like let that absorb and hang out, because it is too moist on my face, so that's gonna like do its little magic. And then we're gonna go in with the foundation and all that good stuff. You guys, I feel like I should have had you guys zoomed in from doing my brows, but whatever. Zoomed you guys in now. So the e.l.f. primer has kind of absorbed into my skin. So we are going to go with the It Cosmetics. Now this is my first time trying it. Well, not today, but this product was the first product I've ever bought from It Cosmetics. And when I went into Ulta, the Ulta girl was like, what are you looking for? You know, if you need help or whatever. And I was like, I need a CC cream or a BB cream. I was like, I want like to try something lighter for summer because, you know, it's getting to be hot out here in Los Angeles and I don't want to be like looking super greasy, and I kind of want to just try something more natural. I guess that's kind of like my mood lately. So she was like, oh well, you know, BB and CC creams are kind of like really like light coverage, but I do have something that's kind of medium coverage, and it was this product. This is perfect. This is like medium coverage. It does say color correcting full coverage cream, but like I consider this, it's not like super full coverage, but it's like medium, and it has an SPF 50 plus in it, and that I really like. This is great for like poolside, wanting like a little flawless face, but like still having like that protection and that like, I love when foundations do that, or like whatever. This is a CC cream. This is in the shade medium. I love it. This is like really good coverage. So we're gonna put some onto a beauty blender. This is just dry, and we are going to apply this. So I put that much, if you guys can see. So I'm going to apply it. I really just adore the coverage of this and the way it goes on. I prefer to apply it with a dry, this is a Real Techniques blender, so like a beauty blender. I prefer to apply this one dry, but like it might be your preference to do it wet, you know. But this particular CC Plus cream. Yeah, and I was a little hesitant to buy this. I was like, what if I don't like it? But she did like a matching, she matched me in the store, and I was like, no, it actually is pretty decent coverage, and it's definitely like doesn't feel as heavy as it doesn't feel as like heavy as a foundation feels. So I feel like personally for myself it works, you know. So now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and this is in Porcelain Beige. A lot of people have been like asking about, you know, what I've been using on my under eye area to make it bright. Honestly, it's like either this concealer or it's the Born This Way concealer. So, but lately it's been this one, the Shape Tape. Everyone like loves this one. I always like a really like bright under eye, so you know that's not for everybody, but I like it to be pretty like bright under there, so it works for me. And because I'm like using a dry blender, I feel like it doesn't dilute the product so much, so it's going to be like super intense like brightness. We're going to bake a little bit. This is the Dermablend. This is the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, and this is in Original. It's just a translucent powder. We're just going to take the same blender and kind of, alright, so I'm going to do this on the viewfinder because I don't have the mirror. So I'm going to blast that. Now we're going to contour, warm up the face. I'm just going to take my Anastasia contour kit, light medium, take the shade in the corner, and we're just going to warm up the face with this. Dust off the excess and go right into there with that. Blend, blend, blend. Like into bronzers lately, but now that it's summer, I'm going to. Do you guys have any recommendations for like a matte bronzer? I'm not too big into like shimmery highlighting type of bronzers. I want just like a matte bronzer. I used to love Nars. Nars had like a nice line of bronzers. Are those still pretty good? I just haven't used a good bronzer in a minute. So if you guys have any recommendations for your girl, because lately I've just been like warming up my face with contouring and stuff, just contour shades, not bronzers. So let your girl know. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush right here and blend out the under eye powder. And I'm going to take a blush brush, and I'm going to be taking my Nars Deep Throat blush. Just a cute little highlighting pinky shade right on the apples for some color. Little like pinkish cheeks for summer, super cute for like a little summer glow. To highlight, I'm going to take my MAC Whisper of Gilt. Take my Sephora highlighting fan brush and just apply this. Tap off the excess. I want like, you guys know I like my highlighters to be popping. Okay. The leftover powder that we use for the under eye, I usually just like to take that and just kind of smooth it all across my face just to set it. And it's an oil control powder, so it's good. It's not going to be like as blinding as the other eye because we're not like baking, we're just kind of applying it, you know? Just for like a setting and oil control. I'm going to do my under eye. So this is just the e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara. And I'm just going to apply this to my lower lashes only. I don't really put mascara on my false lashes because I feel like I don't need them. But when I don't wear on my bottom lashes, I feel like I look a little tired. So this makes a difference, believe it or not. Even other people are like, oh, you look more tired today when I forget to put mascara on my bottom lashes. So Decay De-slick setting spray. This is great for summer for oil control. I'm just going to shake it up and then spray. It's like really refreshing, so let's go a little bit crazy. So I'm going to brush out my lashes one more time. I'm really shook that my boyfriend hasn't called me. So moving on to lips. This is Strip Down by MAC, and this has been like, this is going to be like an all summer look. I love this. So I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to slightly overline because that's just like my life right now. MAC's Myth. You could leave it like this, but I'm going to add a little bit of gloss. And this is NYX's Buttergloss in Fortune Cookie. So that's it, guys, for this look. It's super easy and simple and definitely like a go-to for summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, quick, and fast summer makeup routine. This is just how I'm going to be doing my makeup all summer long. So until next time, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.